Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you how to create partition after installing Windows and create partition properly and proper size. For that, we will go to this PC and right click manage, and we will go disk management, and here you see two storage device, one is SSD and other is hard drive. I will create partition on HDD. So before creating partition, we need to calculate the size. My hard disk size is 1 terabyte. So we will get 931.51 GB. So we multiply it by 1024 because we need to convert megabyte for creating partition. Then we will divide by as many partition as we want. I will create 4 partition. For that, we will divide by 4. So we will do that. We got it. 238,466.56. If there is a 5 or a number greater than 5 after the decimal, we will add 1 to the previous number. After adding get, we will get 238,467. So we will put 467. We will go to the hard disk, right click, new simple volume, next, and we will put it the number. We will click next after entering the number. Partition letter will be created automatically. If anyone wants, you can give the partition name here, otherwise erase it. First partition created, do the next partitions in the same way and same things. Now see that all of them are equally partitioned, none more or less. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.